What's up, guys? We got a new car from Traxxas here today, and it is actually something a little new, even though a lot of people think it's the same thing as before. But let's open it up and check it out, and I'll show you some of the little differences. Boom! Traxxas Raptor R. So the biggest thing is, everyone thinks it's just a slash. But the new thing is it's Pro, somewhere on here, Pro scale, so it's bigger. There's a lot of beefier things in it. A lot of the drivetrain stuff, so I do a lot of sand drag racing, so I'm going to be testing it out that way. So, but yeah, I'm excited to see how much beefier things are from the original Slash, and see how the actual longer chassis helps it out on the sand, from stuff and wheelie and stuff. So, boom, let's open it up. I think we opened the wrong side, but... You guys don't want to see the controller right away anyways. There it is. So, the controller's pretty much the same. I know you guys don't really care about that. Comes with some little extra fender stickers and shock tuning things, stuff like that. It's basic goodies. So, another new cool thing about this, it has the snap body. It's kind of how the crawlers have been doing. But it is a little further in there. And the way I'm sitting is a little awkward. Plastic, but you gotta snap it to get all this plastic off. So there we go. But yeah, look at that. It's definitely a good amount longer. So it's pretty cool. I believe these tires are a little taller than the regular. Let me get this plastic off of here. But the basic setup looks the exact same as the Slash. Just everything's stretched out a little more. There's a little more space in between the motor and the ESC and stuff. Same basic strap for mounting the battery in. Same mounting setup as like a for the servo. But it does have some lights already running here into the bumpers and the rear bumper, I believe. Yep. There's some little taillights back there. So there's the body. So you got the snap system, just like all the crawlers have been doing. Pretty cool. Definitely comes in handy. Let's peel this little plastic off here. Yeah, you can see the nice little aluminum shaft in there now. It does have a cool little window here. You can see and keep an eye on the drive shaft. Steering's under the bottom. It's like some of the four-wheel drive ones are. I don't know what just fell right there. Suspension feels good. What did fall? Oh, I think this is paper. You can run it on 2S or 3S. I'll be doing it on 3S today. And I'll be slapping some sand paddles on here. I think the only ones I have that'll fit this are mismatched, so there'll be two different wheels. But when you're going fast, you won't notice. But I'll definitely be testing it with some dirt also. But the sand drags are here in our local area. And definitely want to see how it does. So toss the body on there so you can see how it looks with the body. It's nice just being able to snap it in right there. You see the nice headlight details in there. Some cool headlight buckets. So I'm guessing they are going to have a pro kit for this also, because right now the lights are all in the bumper. But it does have buckets in there for the actual headlights. And it looks like it does for the rear too. I'm not sure. It's hard to see in there. Yeah, there's supposed to be a replacement one in there for the rear. But they definitely have it for the front. But yeah, definitely a cool looking rig. Looks like it'll take a little beating. It's nice, a little bit longer. So I don't have a true stock Slash, but I do have one of my metal builds. You can see the wheelbase is a good amount longer there. So that's pretty cool. So check out the sand footage right after this and let me know what you think.
Yeah. Yeah.